Good morning viewers. In this video, we are going to discuss about Indent. I am K. Priyadarshini, working as a lecturer in MMM College of Nursing. We will see what all the objectives we are going to meet while seeing this video. At the end of the video, the viewers are able to define what is intent, define what is inventory, so that the viewers are able to get clear picture about the differentiation between intent and the inventory, and explain the procedure of indenting and list the principles of intent. These are all the objectives of this video. First, we will see the introduction. Nurses are expected to maintain adequate supply of equipment, supplies and the medicine in order to give the quality services to the patient. So, the indenting is one of the important steps for the ward nurse. The nurse should ensure and control the right supply at the right place and in the right quantity. This is very important. The nurse is having the control over the right supply of things at the right place and in the right quantity. So proper indent system is necessary for the hospital to deliver the quality services to the people. Now we will see the definition of indent. Indent definition is an official order or requisition for medicine and supplies from the medical stores. See, in the each hospital there will be a separate store is there. From the storeroom, there are many wards in the hospital, no? So each ward, what are all the articles, what are all the things needed for that particular ward, they will send the requisition to the store department. That procedure is called as indent. So the definition of indent is official order or requisition for medicine and supply from the medical stores or from the wards to the medical stores. What is indenting in material management? In material management, indent is an important thing. What is indent actually? Indent is basically a letter raised by an employee of an institute asking for materials needed which are present in the store. The intent can be raised by any employee when he requires items from the stores. Before sending the intent, the employee should aware about whether the articles is present in that particular store or not. After confirming that, the employee should raise a intent for getting that articles. Indent creation is the first step of rendering the process. By the intent, department analyzes the need of services, goods and the cost estimation. See, with the intent, if the particular ward is continuously indenting some items made, with that we able to analyze the need of goods for that particular ward and what type of services that particular ward is doing, and the cost estimation, the approximate budget for that ward to function. These are all the things we able to get from the intent. Department users who has the privilege to create new intent can create the intent and send it to the authorized person in department for approval. The nurse acquires the equipments and supplies based on the need estimation, availability and the budget. As the equipment is received, it should be inspected and stored as per the classification according to the rate of consumption. Okay, after the intent, this is also the nurse's responsibility only. The nurse should inspect the items, whether they received the good quality items, whether they received the needed items for that particular ward or particular place, and it should be stored appropriately. What are all the articles we should store in fridge? We should store in fridge. And the specific care of the articles, where should store, all those things the nurse should take care. And according to the rate of consumption, they should get the things from the store. And always we should ensure that there is a buffer stock. Why? Because of to preventive maintenance has to be carried out through the service contract. Proper cleaning and making repairs has to be done and the equipment stored in a safely manner, because hospital is spending much money for this materials. So utilizing that material and storing that material in a proper way, it's very very important, and this is one of the important role of ELCA team members. This is inventory. Usually people will confuse with the indent and inventory. What is inventory? Inventory is a detailed list of articles in the ward, their specification, standard number or quality. When we are speaking of inventory means, it means making a count of articles in the and. What is inventory? Inventory means whatever articles is there, whatever articles we got from the storeroom, whether it is available, whether it is used in the proper way. For that we are maintaining the count. That we called as inventory. But indent is different. Indent means what are the articles needed for our ward. That articles we should get it from the medical store or outer supply unit, that we called as indent. Purchasing the new things is called indent. Inventory means whether the articles is available or used in a proper way, counting the things, maintaining the things, whatever articles we intended, that we called as inventory. Okay, now we are going to discuss about procedure. What is the procedure for indenting? Indenting shall be done as per the requirement. Proper details of material shall be given. Item description, code, quantity required, quantity in stock, nature of requirement, etc. While indenting, we should be specifically mention the thing. For example, syringe means 2 ml syringe or 5 ml syringe or 10 ml syringe. What type of syringe is needed, all those things we should mention. Duly signed by the concerned HOD or the store department. So, see, any employee can enter the things, but they should get the in charge person's signature. Then only the medical store people will accept that intent created by any employee. Receipt of the intent from user department shall forward it to purchase department for purchasing the material. After the intent, we should keep receipt for that intent also. Indent management system. What are all the things, what are all the steps of indenting is need identification. First, the person who is creating the intent, they should know the need for that particular item. Define the requirement and check the second step is define the requirement, and third one is check the intent document and get the approval. Next one is prepare the intent document. Fifth one is consolidate and approve. The next step is, the last step is proceed for tendering. This is the common step of indent management used in many areas. Next we will see the principles of indenting. We should ensure the continuous supply of materials, component and medicine, etc. Service should carry out without any interruption. Our ultimate aim is service should carry out without any interruption. For that only we are maintaining the continuous supply of materials. At the same time, it is also to be seen that the item purchased is kept minimum. Continuous supply also necessary. Same time, we should not waste the things. Okay, so purchased kept as minimum level. During receipt of materials, the details shall be verified and checked against the intent book. These are all the principles of indenting. Responsibility of the ward sister. The ward sister should keep in mind the sufficient supply of material. The sufficient supply of material is needed for to run the ward. Second one is material should be in good condition. We should get the good material from the store department. After getting also, we should store in a good place for using that things in a good way, and giving a responsibility to handle the supply and the equipments. We should delegate the responsibility to the staffs overall working in that particular ward to handle that supply and the equipment. Same way, the ward nurse should check for the misuse and how to minimize the use of that things. They should not waste and they should not misuse the materials. And educating the ward staffs and other healthcare workers in the economical use of materials. These are all the important responsibility of the ward sister. The ward sister should keep in mind sufficient supply of materials, and their supply of material should be in good condition, and they should share the responsibility to handle the supply and equipments, checking the misuse and how to minimize that misuse, and educating the ward staffs and other healthcare workers for the economical use of materials. Till now we have discussed about what is intent, what is inventory, what is the difference between intent and inventory, what is the procedure for indenting the things from the store, and what are the principles we should follow, and the responsibility of the ward sister in indenting all those things. And I hope that you got the clear information about what is intent and what are the responsibility of ward nurses. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.